In circuits and soil we intertwine, hands of steel and hearts that shine. Together we build where dreams are born, a world reborn at the neon dawn. Wires hum with ancient song, roots grow deep, forever strong. In this dance of light and earth, we find our new world's birth. Oh, in the guard of a neon dawn, robots and humans side by side, crafting wonders green and bright under electric skies. We unite, creators of the new world song. Where nature and tech belong. Metal blooms with petals bright, leaves of glass catch morning light, streams of data flow like rain